Hello everyone, welcome to my channel today, channel with a target for knowledge and growth. On this channel, every video is a step towards enlightenment, so join me on a journey filled with knowledge, inspiration, and empowerment. Today's video is crafted with care and precision to provide you with life-changing information, whether you are looking to learn a new skill in Germany, or you are a professional transitioning into another profession and you are ready to embark on an adventure in Germany, whether you are just starting out or looking for a fresh career path. Vocational training could be your gateway to career success. So, why choose Germany? Germany has been known and is still known for its renowned and robust vocational training system, which is a unique blend of hands-on experience, practical experience, and academic learning. You have practical experience and you have academic learning. It's a perfect place to develop your skills in a practical setting, and it can open doors for multitude career opportunities. Join our communities of like-minded individuals and we listen to their success stories, learn from them, get inspired by their stories, and find the support you need to thrive in your new environment. By watching our video, you are not just benefiting yourself, but you are benefiting your families, your friends, and you are becoming a platform of information. You are becoming a beacon of knowledge for everyone around you. So share our videos, write us in the comment sections, like our videos. Help us spread the wealth of information to those around you, and together we can create a network of informed and inspired individuals. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells so that when I drop my new videos, when new videos are being uploaded, you are the first to know. Your journey into integrating with vocational training into your career options to become a success in your career journey, it's going to be a fantastic journey and a success when it comes to Germany. So today it's all about aerospace engineering, that is Berufe in the Luft- und Raumfahrttechnik. So I encourage you to watch the video to the end. This is the fourth career path when it comes to area of specialization. When it comes to technology, everything about technology, this is the fourth area of specialization, and it's about space. Beruf in the Raumfahrttechnik, that is professions about aerospace engineering. So the first career path I'll be discussing today is the aircraft electronics technician, Fluggeräte Elektronikerin. So if you want to become an aircraft electronics technician, I will encourage you to watch this video to the end. The duration is 3 years and 5 months, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training, and it is 3 years and 5 months. Apart from your German language, if you have your Hochschulreife, your Hauptschulabschluss, or your Realschulabschluss, that is your university qualification certificate, your high school leaving certificate, you are accepted into this career path. So what do? You install electrical and electronic system, as the picture is showing beside, and devices in aircraft and ensure that they operate smoothly. You lay and connect control signals and data cables. You install electrical and electronics devices. You bring them together. You also do maintenance and repair and systematically analyze measurement, control, and regulations for the technology of the electrical values that has transmission technology that you have installed. You carry out tests, you carry out correct technical parameters, replace defective parts or components. So you carry out your work in accordance with specification and you document it. So if you're interested when it comes to the electrical systems in the aircraft, this is a career you want to look into. If you have necessary authorization, you also carry out the technical approval of the aircraft as you become someone who can approve the aircraft. Where do you find employment? You find employment in companies that are in the aerospace industry. You find employment at the airline, in repairs and maintenance workshop at airports. That is where you find employment. Any airline company, you can find employment there. So the second part is still under careers in space engineering, aerospace engineering. So I encourage you to watch this video to the end. This is the first career part. The second career part has 3 areas of specialization. So I encourage you to watch it to the end. So I'll see you in the next part of my video, of this video. See you there. So welcome back. This is the second career under the 4th area of specialization when it comes to careers in technology. So this career, that is the flight engineer, that is Fluggeräte Mechanikerin. We have 3 areas of specialization here. So the first area of specialization, that's what I'm explaining. This is the second career part, and this is the first area of specialization. So other area of specialization I will explain in the other videos I'll be uploading. So I encourage you to watch them when I upload. So it's good if you turn on your notification bell so that when I upload you are aware. This is the flight engineer. If you want to become a flight engineer, the duration is 3 years and 5 months as well, and it's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. So this is the first area of specialization, which is in the Fachrichtung Fertigungstechnik, specialization in producing manufacturing technology, production engineering when it comes to aircraft. You need your Hochschulreife, Hauptschulabschluss, and your Realschulabschluss. Those 3 certificates, apart from your German language, you are accepted into this vocational training. Now, aircraft mechanics, what do you expect to do? You specialize that are into manufacturing technology. This is the first area of specialization if you're an aircraft mechanic. You produce components, you assemble systems for aircraft, you form aircraft fuselages and attach wings, engines, landing gear. You join these structural components together, and you make sure that when you assemble the system components such as the hydraulic or the electrical system, you carry out functional tests, you carry out functional measures. In the cabin, you install the wall paneling, the luggage compartment, and everything that has to do with the building of components for the airplane. You are into it. You are involved in inspection and maintenance of the aircraft as well. So where do you find employment? You find employment in companies that manufacture aircraft. Companies that manufacture aircraft, especially airplanes or helicopters. That is where you find employment. Or suppliers of aircraft parts and systems in repair and maintenance workshops of airline at the airport. So you find employment there. So if you are someone, a lover of aircrafts, and you're like, oh, this is a vocational training I'm interested and I want to go into, this is one of the options. Let's not forget, this is the first from the 3 area of specialization when it comes to this. If you want to become a flight mechanic, this is the first area, which is in the area of production engineering. We are specializing when it comes to production of parts of the aircraft. The second and the third area of specialization I will explain and explain in all the other parts of the video, which I'll be uploading. So I encourage you to turn on your notification bells. Write us in the comment section if you have any question, and we can definitely share our information so that it helps not just you only, but it helps everyone as well who are thinking in that direction. Don't give up on your careers. Don't forget, only you can stop you. I'll see you in my next video.